Today we changed the cabin air filter on the 2019 Toyota Camry. Some manufacturers recommend it every 12,000 or 15,000 miles, others longer. We prefer once a year. With the engine turned off, open the glove box and remove the glove box cover inside the glove box by pushing the tab on the right side here towards the left and pull, and it will come right off. Now to remove the filter cover. To unlock it, squeeze the two tabs on the right side of the cover and then pull it out of the claws. By looking at these claws, this should be done gently, especially when pulling, not to damage them. Now to remove the filter case. There may be foreign objects on the top of the air-conditioned filter, so be gentle removing it. Lift the case and slowly slide it out. Remove the air conditioning filter from the case and replace it with the new one with the arrow pointing up. Slide it back in. Put back the filter cover by inserting the claws on the left side first, then gently clip in the right side. And there's a close-up. Now put back the glove box cover by inserting the left two tongues on the left side, and then clip in the right side. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.